Hi everybody, CANNABIS Grows here. How the heck are you? Happy holidays and all that jazz. Hope you're having a good, safe, and warm holiday time. So we last year did a big fun event, the 12 Days of Dabness, where I took a big fat dab and did a giveaway 12 days of Christmas. This year, I could not get as many sponsors on board on time as I would have liked. However, I still got a bunch of gifts to do giveaways. We're still going to do a big ass giveaway. It's just going to be a little bit different of a structure this time, and it's actually going to be easier than it was last year to enter. It's super fucking easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and comment on one of my videos. That's it. All I'm going to do is, as of today, I'm going to stop checking my notifications on my dashboard, and there will be a list of comments that will pile up. There will be a number of comments, and I will pick that number, and I'll use a random number generator, and we'll pick some winners, just like that. Super simple. We'll do the giveaway around New Year's. We'll announce all the winners. So from now until the end of the year, basically, all you have to do to enter is just comment on one of my videos. Hopefully say something positive or constructive at the very least. But yeah, just comment on any one of my videos and you're entered. Simple as that. Be subscribed too, because if I find out you're not subscribed, I'm just going to move on to the next person. That's about all I got for today. So don't forget to like the video if you do like it. Subscribe if for some reason you're not already. Heck, even share my channel with one of your friends. Other than that, hope you still have a safe, happy, and warm holidays time. My schedule this week is going to be a little wonky on YouTube and Twitch. It's Xmas time, man. There's family stuff going on. But I'll catch you around real soon. Don't worry. I'll be around. Have a good one. Cheers. Bye, Pepper. Little girl.